underrated though. Mamba.
Select your hero.
Who you defending?
Oh, you know it. What up, y'all?
Yo, how's it going?
Chilling, you know. Can you get off Junkrat, please? JK, JK.
Alright, if Junkrat doesn't work out, I will switch, but I have been doing pretty well with him today, so.
For sure.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
Alright, normal. If they have a Pharah, never mind, your boss is Jasper.
Jank Squad activate, let's do this.
Yeah, that's better.
We're probably gonna want more than just do the semi tank.
Yeah, if we get rolled, I'll switch.
Why don't you just prevent the rolling by switching now?
It's fine.
Yeah, I think it'll be okay, but it's just a funny logic.
We can maybe make this work, but
We got it, we got it.
I will keep you healed.
Oh, you know what I feel
Alright,
should be is across
watch
the
the
way.
directions, just call out which way they're going.
where are you setting up, Symmetric?
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
There's a chance they may go
I'm
mid.
afraid AFK.
I'm watching mid, I don't see anything. Oh, 1K mid, looks like a Genji.
Yeah, we have an AFK McCree.
Oh, that's tight.
Go. I can
There.
heal.
No, he's here.
Oh, yeah, they're mid.
Oh,
Mid top.
that's not mid. Stairs.
I just know.
Fall back, fall back. Oh. Can't see you there.
My fault.
Gangu's trying to come after you,
Oh,
he's
they're
above you.
backing up, I think they're going in a different direction.
Oh yeah, they're below.
1 point. Need help.
Hold on, I'm getting smoked.
Oh shit. My fault. This is stupid. Nice.
Oh, they have a soldier back here. Can I get some help?
Can't see you there.
Up around him. Down.
You might be better off with a shield then.
Oh, Genji's up top. What killed me? Did I get Junkrat bomb reflected? Oh, I did!
Down below.
Oh, I got destroyed. That Genji Junkrat deflected a bomb onto me.
Oh.
I was like, how did I explode? Because I shot him, and then I died, and I exploded. I was like, what?
Okay.
Watching your back.
Coming up main.
They're all coming, man.
Got 2 purple. Soldiers purple.
Probably gonna have ult.
Watch for,
Just a scratch. You'll be fine.
hammer down.
You got Genji top stairs.
I understand.
I can't. I'm down below you, I think. If you need healing, fall to the point-ish.
Get charged.
Protect the objective.
Yeah, that's a big drop.
D.Va's sleeping.
Okay, yeah, they're wasting most of their ults. I think, soldier and that guy.
I still have Ana ult.
And
I'll probably hit D.Va.
We have 3 ults.
You got Lucio on point? I'm trying to be, he's running.
See? Alright, call out which way they're going, because I'll flip back.
Which main for now?
Main. Alright, I'm gonna wait until they clump up. Alright.
Yeah, here comes Ryan, man.
This may not get that one.
Keep you healed.
Okay, I got soldier.
Seconds remaining.
These are their main DPS, they really can't push without them.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're
they can try.
Looks like
try, but...
they're going up top.
Oh, yeah, they just throw
Or
their,
around, I can't tell.
they just throw their trap in the top, so one of them's in there.
Coming main, maybe.
Coming out, you know, over there.
Yeah, main.
Got this Genji up here.
I'm gonna hit you.
Get in there.
D.Va's up behind me.
This soldier.
Soldier down.
Got a Reinhardt behind you, D.Va.
Reinhardt is low.
Reinhardt's dead.
Already down there, fuck. Oh my god.
Nice. Fuck the meta, let's go.
Alright, I won't play
Damn, that was sick.
That was sick.
They should've gone top side.
I know, they could have
Defend
wrecked
that.
us.
It was straight down middle.
Yeah, they were just not
Yeah.
coordinated.
Size.
And it's considerably harder when you don't have a bunch of tanks on your team. I did not do that well.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Something tells me they're gonna get a junk now. Normally happens after I do semi-well as junk on defense. So I'm going fire.
Let's take top stairs. They didn't do that last time and they lost because of it.
Alright, if we're gonna do that though, we're gonna need a Ryan. So I can triple
Yeah,
tank.
that's true. Yeah, triple tank's fine.
Alright, Nermal, you're gonna be our only DPS then.
Because of symmetry. But
Oh yeah,
maybe.
the only problem with that is
I
if they
still
go
should
junk,
try.
we're gonna have a big problem with pushing there.
Not if we go fast enough.
Never stop
I
fighting.
mean, I could, if I went, hypothetically, if I were to get a Pharah, I could just try to clear that junk off that top.
I think if we just do a really fast push, like speed boost in, they won't be able to do anything about it.
Oh, we could try to do bottom stairs.
Yeah, let's do that then.
Yeah, no one ever watches that.
Should go bottom and then up and around and back on top.
Bottom, up, I mean,
Yeah, I
if
mean-
we go bottom, they're gonna be on us automatically.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
We go bottom and then go behind the point and hold that room
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
and like go back towards the point.
I was wondering if you'd sign something for me.
I will keep you here.
Of course. Here you go. Love, Diva.
Alright, so, CCO speed boost.
1. Attack commences.
I got
Capture objective A.
So we speed boost them in.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Go through the point.
Go up these stairs.
Yep, upstairs.
Let's just pin.
I got one.
Oh wow.
Oh, fly back. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'm stuck behind them.
Okay, but we know they don't have a junk right now, so that means we can go top.
Okay,
Yeah,
both of
we
their
went the
healers are
wrong way.
dead.
Yeah,
I got both their healers. Ah!
Nice.
Might be worth.
Just go main, just go main, go main.
Yeah, probably roll man. They don't have healers for a second.
Listen.
The assassin Anna, dude. I should not have done that, but it might work.
Oh, Diva's on me. I mean, not Diva, Nate.
I'm coming, boys.
Hey Ryan. Oh shit.
I keep you here.
Oh, that's
Shield up, shield up. Nice.
Oh!
It's going to hurt.
Someone in here? What up, dude?
Who's in here? Yeah, I heard that, but is that Brett?
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, what's up, G? Saw it. Whoa, here comes Ryan. Oh, nice. He went past the point.
That was epic. Wow.
Finals.
Wow, that was easy.
Yeah, that was like the easiest game. Yeah,
Yeah. Free win almost.
for real. I don't know how that happened. The double assassinate. The double healer assassinate. Gotta be play of the game.
That was really bad.
Yeah, I don't think it was play of the game. It would be hilarious if it was. Oh, it was!
Oh, let's go.
Watch this. This is so nonsense.
I wanna play the game.
Yeah. I was gonna hide behind, and then I saw both of them.
Oh my god.
The sneak!
Let's go, the sneak.
The sneak!
Got him! And then I ran!
Oh my god.
Our DPS can't kill. That's hilarious.
Victory.
That was goofy as hell. Sorry, I love you anyways.
Oh my god, I'm 20 points off from leveling up. Okay.
Bummer, dude.
Literally, it's touching that. Okay.
What's that loot box?
Yeah, you do. I can't believe that was play of the game. That was hilarious.
That was awesome.
That's pretty funny.
Sneaking on him. How'd you get up there?